What's up guys, Fire Llama back with another video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Taj Mahal, Lego's Taj Mahal. So let's get into the box first. This is the box of the Taj Mahal. As you can see, it's a really big one. A lot bigger than any of the other Lego sets that I've reviewed on this channel, like the Land Rover or the Porsche. Here is a comparison. It's similar in width and height, but when it comes to thickness, it's a whole nother story. So that is the comparison. So now coming on to the details of the box. Lego Creator 16 Plus, set number 10256. It has almost 6,000 pieces, precisely 5,923. Got a sick model of the a model picture of the kit here. Got some features. It's you can transport in easy pieces like that. And this is the measurements of it. It's pretty huge. And side, it's just blank blue. And if you flip it over, it has some design show-offs, another quick diorama in the back. It's got a list of all the pieces, which I'll flip over for you guys to see. Here it is, a list of the pieces. And an actual size part right there. And that is a Lego Creator Taj Mahal box. Here we got the instruction booklet of the Lego Creator Taj Mahal. Nothing too fancy on the front, just in the same artwork and the set number and stuff. This book is very thin, as you could see, because most of the steps are really big steps. On the back, classic Lego back, and this one you gotta open up like this, like a traditional book. It's got the sections here of what you're gonna be building here, and there are about, let's see how many pages. The last page is right here. There are 178 pages of steps. Shows off some more cool creator sets and the pieces, and that is the instruction booklet of the Lego Creator Taj Mahal. So now let's get into some design aspects of the Taj Mahal. First up, starting with the pillars. These are built with minimal pieces. They're really big, as you could see here. They're just like semicircle pieces. And they have these pieces here to give it like a curly look, because in the real Taj Mahal they have like those swirly things. On the top, it replicates a light with a bullet piece, and that's the top of the pillar. So after we're done with the pillars, the base of this is covered with like weird white tiles, which I'm not too big of a fan of, but it kind of it looks decent, because it's like the blue is the water and the white is like probably the tiles or something like that. And then on the top we got a simple arch design with like studs on top to replicate like the base of the Taj Mahal. And we got 4 pillars in total. And that is basically the base and the pillars of the Taj Mahal. Next up, moving on to the top, which can be easily accessed by just lifting it. As you can see here, it's really easy to lift as you just do this. And to put it back, you just put it back like that. And that's why it's a really easy, large set to transport. And coming into more design, here is kind of like the entry into the main part of the Taj Mahal. It's done with clear pieces as the windows. And that is repeated throughout the side and the back, and the other side as well. And on top is the real beauty, where there are 5 dome-like architecture parts. We have 4 small ones, like this, which look really nice. And then we have the huge dome, right here, as you can see. It's got the same pillar, yellow, finish point, and that is the Taj Mahal's design. So a feature of this Taj Mahal is basically the transportation feature, which is really easy, because all you do is lift the top part off, which is fairly light, and then you break the base off into 6 pieces, just basically what you gotta do. You see the line here, they're connected with the Lego Technic piece, and you just disconnect it like that. And to put it back, it's fairly easy as well. You just push them back together just like that, And you make them into pieces like that, transport it to wherever you want, and build it right back. That is the features of the Taj Mahal. Thanks for watching this video. If you want any more Lego reviews, we will consider it and review them. Bye!